This is RP and welcome to my programming channel Retro Programmer 000. I am a programmer by day and interested in programming, gaming, especially retro gaming, and that is why I named my channel Retro Programmer because this is a programming channel. And today I'll be giving a few important things about Git. Git is the most widely used version control system in the software industry. It is being used by very big companies like PayPal, eBay, Microsoft, and many others. While building any software, it is very important that we understand how to organize our code, how to keep it safely, and how to make changes quickly and have good historical tracking. And that is what this version control does for us. And Git out there is the best one which we have right now. So let's get started. Before we begin, I would like to mention that this tutorial is completely based on using the eGit plugin that comes with Eclipse. If you're not familiar with Eclipse, Eclipse is the most widely used IDE for Java, at least, and it is a great IDE with a lot of customization. Eclipse comes out of the box with Git and all the tools necessary for it. So yeah, let's begin by downloading Eclipse. So you can visit this link eclipse.org and download Eclipse. You can download the regular Eclipse that is on the system, and because that is what people generally use. So go ahead and download the 64-bit Eclipse. So once you have downloaded Eclipse, you will see an icon like this. Once you open it up, this is your environment for Eclipse, and over here you will be seeing your projects, and this is where you will be generally writing your code. Once this is done, the next step would be to basically go to GitHub. So GitHub is the place where we can store our code. GitHub is a platform where we can actually uh, put our code on the cloud and access it from anywhere in the world. Um, GitHub has the facility to create something called as private repositories, but that is paid for. And in these tutorials, we will just look at using GitHub to just store our Git code. Git is actually the version control system, and GitHub is one of the implementations of Git that is most widely used. So we'll just sign up for GitHub account, and we'll just log in and see. So you can go to sign up. Since I've already signed up, I'll just log in, and the first thing, so we are here inside GitHub. So the first thing that we would have to do before doing even this to make our life easier is to set up the SSH on Eclipse. SSH key setup is basically used in the GitHub section to enable us to push code, pull code easier and in an authorized fashion. So the way we go there is just click on the arrow on the GitHub page, go into SSH, then you can just say new SSH key. Now we will be using Eclipse directly to create the SSH key. We won't be using the terminal or any other mumbo jumbo. We'll just go with Eclipse. So the way we do it in Eclipse is, all you have to do is go to Eclipse preferences, just type SSH, and this is where it is. So SSH can be generated, RSA key can be generated here. Just click on key management, generate RSA key, and save your private key. So I won't be saving any password, and I'll be saving it in the SSH folder. Say 2, let's say. So these are my keys, and this is the key that I'll have to put in this, let's say, retro key, and put the key over here, add the SSH key, and this, just say apply over here and click on OK. So this will basically enable us to safely push and pull code from Git and do whatever we want. That's it. That's the end of the first tutorial. I hope you guys have been able to understand what Git is, how to set it up on Eclipse. In the next tutorial, we would be using Git and Eclipse to basically create a repository, write, getting it into Eclipse, create a package, and probably do a commit after that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you have liked the content. Thank you.